Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and captivating beauty of Haiti, a Caribbean paradise that invites you with open arms. This island nation is brimming with unique allure, pulsating with a rich history that is as fascinating as it is diverse. Haiti's landscapes are a mesmerizing mix of stunning contrasts, with majestic mountain peaks reaching for the sky one moment and serene azure beaches lapping at your feet the next. Through its vibrant culture, Haiti tells a story, a narrative woven through music, food, and art. The country's history echoes in the rhythm of the drums, the spice in the cuisine, and the colors of the street murals. Each element contributes to the symphony that is Haiti, a melody as warm and welcoming as the Haitian people themselves. Join us as we embark on a journey through the top 10 must-visit places in Haiti, each one a testament to the country's charm. At number 10 we find Jacmel, a city that encapsulates the essence of Haitian art and culture. As you wander through its streets, you'll encounter historic architecture that dates back to the 19th century, each building a testament to the city's rich past. These architectural wonders are adorned with intricate ironwork and vibrant mosaics, providing a striking backdrop to the bustling city life. But Jacmel isn't just about historic structures. The city is a thriving hub of creativity, boasting a vibrant art scene that is as diverse as it is dynamic. From the colorful papier-mâché masks that are a staple of the city's famous carnival, to the local artisans who transform discarded materials into stunning works of art, Jacmel is a city where creativity thrives. And let's not forget the carnival, a riotous explosion of color, music, and dance that takes over the city every year. It's an experience that is as unforgettable as the city itself. Jacmel truly is a feast for the senses. Next, at number 9, we have Cap-Haïtien, a city that wears its history on its sleeve. Cap-Haïtien, or OCAP, as the locals call it, is a city of undeniable charm. The streets here are a living museum, lined with French colonial architecture that has stood the test of time. Each building tells a tale of a time when the city was the capital of the French colony of Saint-Domingue. The gingerbread houses, in particular, are a sight to behold, telling stories of a bygone era through their intricate designs. But it's not just about architecture. Cap-Haïtien is also the gateway to some of Haiti's most important historic sites. It's a stone's throw away from the Citadel, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This massive stone fortress, perched atop Île-à-Vache mountain, offers a breathtaking glimpse into Haiti's battle for independence. A trip to Cap-Haïtien is like stepping back in time. It's a place where history lives and breathes, inviting you to become part of its story. At number 8, we have Bassin Bleu, a hidden gem that offers a serene escape. Nestled in Jacmel's lush greenery, Bassin Bleu is a cascade of sparkling blue waters that dazzle the eyes. Its tranquility is only matched by its sheer beauty. The journey to reach this secluded paradise is a thrilling hike through Haiti's verdant landscapes, making it a rewarding adventure. Whether you're a nature lover or an adrenaline junkie, Bassin Bleu has something for you. Bassin Bleu is a true testament to Haiti's natural allure. Coming in at number 7 is Sainte-Mathurine, Haiti's largest waterfall. This natural wonder is a sight to behold, cascading down rugged cliffs amidst lush, verdant landscapes. It's not just the waterfall that's remarkable, but the surrounding area as well, teeming with diverse wildlife that adds to the allure of the place. The harmonious symphony of rushing water and chirping birds is truly a melody of nature. So whether you're a birdwatcher, a nature photographer, or simply a lover of the great outdoors, Sainte-Mathurine is a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. At number 6, we find Labadee, a private beach resort that embodies the Caribbean dream. Here, the allure of the tropics is captured in the stunning beaches of Labadee, with their soft white sands and crystalline waters that sparkle under the radiant sun. As you step onto the beach, the warmth of the sand under your feet and the gentle whisper of the waves against the shore welcome you to a tropical paradise. The azure sea invites you to take a dip in its cool, clear waters, offering you a refreshing respite from the tropical heat. But Labadee isn't just about sun and sand, it's a playground for thrill seekers too. From ziplining over the lush greenery to kayaking in the tranquil sea, there's a plethora of activities that are sure to get your pulse racing. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, Labadee has it all. Labadee offers a slice of paradise that's hard to resist. Halfway through, at number 5, we have the Sans-Souci Palace, a symbol of Haiti's royal past. This architectural marvel, once the lavish residence of King Henri I, is steeped in history. Its spectacular design, reminiscent of European palaces, is a testament to the craftsmanship of the era. Beyond its aesthetic allure, the Sans-Souci Palace holds a significant place in global heritage, recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. The Sans-Souci Palace is a testament to Haiti's regal history. At number 4, we have Port-au-Prince, the vibrant capital of Haiti. This city is a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. Its bustling markets, such as the Iron Market, are a hive of activity where you can find everything from fresh produce to local crafts. Stroll through the city, and you'll stumble upon historic sites like the National Palace, a symbol of Haiti's tumultuous past. Take a moment to absorb the powerful story it tells. Not far away, you'll find the Cathedral of Our Lady of the Assumption, another testament to the city's endurance and resilience. The cultural landmarks in Port-au-Prince are as varied as they are numerous. The Musée du Panthéon National Haitien is a treasure trove of Haitian history and culture, while the Grand Rue artists offer a colorful display of creativity and ingenuity in their open-air gallery. Port-au-Prince is a city that pulses with energy and life. A visit here is an immersion in Haiti's vibrant heartbeat. At number 3, we have the Citadel laferrière, a fortress that stands as a symbol of Haiti's resilience. As we journey through the annals of time, the Citadel laferrière, perched high upon the Bonnet-à-l'Évêque mountain, carries a rich tapestry of history. Built in the early 19th century, this imposing fortress was erected as a bulwark against potential invasions, a testament to the strategic foresight of the Haitian leaders of yore. Its rugged stone walls and commanding location tell tales of a nation's struggle for independence and its enduring will to protect its people. Today, the Citadel is more than just a fortress. It's a beacon of national pride, a symbol of Haiti's resilience and strength. In recognition of its cultural and historical significance, the Citadel laferrière has been honored as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a living monument, a place where the past and present come together in a stirring tribute to the Haitian spirit. The Citadel laferrière stands as a proud testament to Haiti's indomitable spirit. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have Île-à-Vache, an island paradise. This captivating island, nestled off the southwestern coast of Haiti, is a heavenly retreat that offers a unique blend of natural beauty, relaxation, and cultural richness. Imagine a place where time slows down, where you're surrounded by azure waters lapping against pristine sandy beaches. This is Île-à-Vache. But it's not just about the beaches. This island is also a place to immerse yourself in the vibrant local life. Here, you can mingle with the friendly locals, learn about their traditions, and even partake in their everyday activities. From the fishermen casting their nets at dawn, to the children playing on the beach, to the women weaving intricate crafts, life on Île-à-Vache is a colorful tapestry that unfolds before your eyes. It's a place that invites you to experience authenticity and simplicity, far removed from the hustle and bustle of city life. Île-à-Vache is a tropical paradise that captures the heart of every visitor. And finally, at number 1, we have the National Museum of Haiti, a treasure trove of Haitian history and culture. This museum, located in the heart of the capital, Port-au-Prince, is the custodian of Haiti's rich past. It houses an extensive collection that spans centuries, from the indigenous Taino culture to the modern era. Each exhibit tells a story, narrating the tale of a people, their struggles, triumphs, and their indomitable spirit. You'll find artifacts from the era of the Revolution, a poignant reminder of Haiti's journey to independence. The museum also displays a fascinating collection of indigenous art, offering a unique glimpse into the creative soul of the nation. But the National Museum of Haiti is more than a repository of artifacts. It's a living testament to the resilience and vibrancy of Haitian culture. It plays a vital role in preserving, promoting, and interpreting Haiti's heritage for future generations. The National Museum of Haiti is a must-visit, offering a profound insight into the soul of this beautiful country.